And it was a nice day today for fishing. So what does tomorrow hold for Memorial Day as a lot of people get out there, Brian?
Looks like it's going to be a lot hotter out there, a lot more humid. We showed that comfort level graphic. It's going to be a little uncomfortable tomorrow with the heat and humidity getting close to 90 degrees in some spots. And like today, we are going to see sporadic showers here and there. We did see just a couple of sprinkles around the city. Most of the heaviest of the precipitation has been areas to the south. There's another batch of showers off to the north and west, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. Wilson Harbor, though, looking pretty good. I'm sure a lot of boaters out there today. You may have wanted to come in if you were on Lake Erie periodically, because it did look like that there was a batch of showers and storms developing off to the west and moving into the area. There's this batch here, and it is moving through Chautauqua County, but it has faded quite a bit. There are more showers off to the north and west, but it looks like they're taking pretty much the same path. They're going to drop to the south and to the west of the city, but we could still see a few sprinkles out of it. Take a little bit of a closer look here, and I'll show you what we were seeing. There were some heavier downpours around Westfield and Ripley, but as they started to make their way into Mayfield and into Bemis Point, they really faded quite a bit, and now they're just a couple of sprinkles here and there. The heaviest of the precipitation that we've seen in the viewing area has been in northern Pennsylvania, as we did see a real heavy batch of some showers and storms that moved through, some downpours, some lightning out of that. And that was around 5 p.m. was when that heaviest of that precipitation did move through. But other than that, it's just been a couple of sprinkles areas to the north. Temperature-wise right now, 77 Buffalo, 81 Batavia, 72 in Olean, and 64 in Jamestown. That's some rain-cooled air there. Same thing with Bradford at 64 degrees. And we are going to see some much warmer temperatures on the way come tomorrow. Still 83 in Williamsville, 84 in Lancaster, 79 in Hamburg, and then cooler at Sturgeon Point at 71 degrees. So I was tweeting throughout the day about the path of these storms, because when these were over here, it looked like they were going to make their way into the northern areas. And just as I said that, they decided to take a turn, dip to the south. And I said, well, then they're going to look like they're going to miss us. And then they took another turn, and they clipped into Chautauqua County and into northern Pennsylvania. So these have been all over the place, but these showers, they looked like to be on the strong side, but they have been fading quite a bit as they've been dropping to the south. So it looks like we're going to see at best maybe a couple of sprinkles out of those and just some light rain. Now let's take a look at Super Microcast and show you what we can expect for tomorrow. Microcast isn't showing any of that precipitation, just shows mostly cloudy skies for tonight, and that's what we'll see a little bit later on tonight after those batch of showers do clear on up for us. And then partly cloudy skies for tomorrow, but the heat and the humidity could fire up some showers and storms throughout the day. Could see a few pop-up thunderstorms from time to time, but most of the day is going to be on the dry side. The best chance to see rain for everybody is going to be on Tuesday, as we'll see some scattered showers early and then some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening from a cold front that's going to make its way through. So that we'll have to pay attention to that on Tuesday, as we could have the potential for some severe weather. So temperature-wise, it is going to be pretty toasty tomorrow. Tonight, it is going to be warm and humid, and that's just going to be a precursor to what we're going to see for tomorrow. There's some 90-degree marks showing up here. 91 Niagara Falls, 90 Albion, 86 potentially in Buffalo, 89 at Jamestown. So some very warm temperatures for tomorrow, as we are expecting that heat and humidity to be on the rise. So for tonight, the showers clear up to partly cloudy skies. It will be warm and humid for tonight with temperatures in the upper 60s, so not nearly as comfortable as it was last night and this morning. Then for tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, chance of a few isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Temperature is going to be in the mid to upper 80s in some spots near 90 degrees. Tomorrow night, still warm and humid as we do clear up from the rain showers, but then more showers do develop for Tuesday. Chance of some thunderstorms, and some of those storms could be on the strong side. Will be windy on Tuesday as well, as temperatures will be near 80 degrees. Wednesday and Thursday looking dry as we cool off quite a bit. Temperatures going to be in the upper 60s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rain showers come back for Friday and Saturday. And with Friday and Saturday, the type of system that is going to move through, if it was the winter time, it would be quite the snowmaker, but good thing it is going to be coming up on June, as we're just going to be a little bit cooler, more spring-like, and then have those rain showers.
Yeah, the comfort level would be very poor if it was a snowstorm, Brian. Thanks a lot.